Go, Bicol!
Take you know.
Swimming lane number 1 is Taal Jericho of Region 7. Lane 2, Gulayan Joshua of Region 11. Lane 3, Asensi JJ Rexon of Region 6. Lane 4, De La Peña Jure of Region 13. Lane 5, Teodoro Romeo Renzo of Region 5. Lane 6, Colhantes Dairy First of Region 5. Lane 7, Busman J of Region 7. Lane 8, Enrique Junior Cesar of Region 6.
Alakaran to!